Good afternoon to all of you. I am a student of GNM third year. Today I am standing here for the re-demonstration of procedure of phototherapy. First of all, definition. It is the use of fluorescent light for the conversion of unconjugated bilirubin into the conjugated bilirubin. The phototherapy procedure works on three principles that are: the first one is geometric photoisomerization, the second one is structural isomerization, and the third one is oxidation. In geometric photoisomerization, the unconjugated bilirubin converted into the more soluble form of bilirubin, and in structural isomerization, the bilirubin converted into the lumibirin. After that, ranges of phototherapy lights. There are two types of light. The first one is white light, and this is white light, and the range of white light is 550 to 600 nanometer, and it is less effective as compared to blue light. The range of blue light is 420 to 480 nanometer. This is phototherapy machine, and this is its mechanism. Here are bulbs, and this is height measurementer, and here you can see log cradle. Indication of phototherapy. In the term baby, if their total serum bilirubin level is greater than 17 mg per dl, or in preterm baby, if the bilirubin level is greater than 8 mg per dl, or in preterm baby whose weight is less than 1.5 kg and the bilirubin level is greater than 5 mg per dl, then we put the baby into the phototherapy machine. Before starting the procedure, 5 principles should be kept in our mind, that are: first of all, preparation of nurse. A nurse should be prepared physical as well as mentally. In physical preparation, hair should be tidy, dress should be neat and clean, sleeve should be above the elbow, there should be no ornament, and shoes should be well covered. Or in mental preparation, thorough knowledge regarding the procedure of phototherapy, or positive attitude toward the patient, that is less harm and more benefit. After that, preparation of articles. Phototherapy tray containing following article. First of all, hand sanitizer to prevent from cross infection, baby sheet. While we removing the baby from phototherapy machine, then we cover the baby with the sheet to provide warmth to the baby, and the diaper to cover the genital organ of the baby, and a handkerchief or eye shield to cover the eye of the baby. Phototherapy machine. This phototherapy machine in which both the blue light and white light are in working condition, and in here this is single surface phototherapy. Preparation of client. नमस्ते आरती जी। जैसे कि आपको पता है, आपके बच्चे को पीलिया है, तो आज मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि किस तरह से आपने जब बच्चे को निकालना है तब आपको क्या क्या बातें याद रखनी है, जब आपने बच्चे को मशीन के अंदर डालना है तो आपने क्या क्या बातें याद रखनी है। ठीक है। Nursing responsibility during the procedure of phototherapy. First of all, we check the proper working condition of the phototherapy machine and check the bilirubin level of the baby in the patient file, and also we check the period of gestation and weight of the baby. The weight should be monitored in regular interval. The distance from the source to the baby should be 45 centimeter, and while the baby is putting into the phototherapy machine, the baby's eye should be covered and the genital area should be covered to prevent from any damage. Change the baby position in every 2 hours, or also feed the baby in every 2 to 3 hours to prevent the baby from any dehydration. Check the baby napkin. If there is a dark color urine, then increase the feed of the baby. The phototherapy should be given at least 18 hours in a day. The baby removed only when we are giving the breastfeed to the baby or withdrawing some sample. Monitor the temperature of the baby. If the baby is hyperthermic, then we stop the phototherapy And when the baby temperature is down, then we restart skin rashes, bronze baby syndrome, and skin tanning. Step of procedure. Before putting the baby into the phototherapy machine, it should be cleaned with soapy water or plain water solution, and its ratio is 1:20. After that, we perform the dry hand washing, or also we wash our hand. रीना जी, आपने बच्चे का नैपकिन देख लिया है और बच्चे को दूध पिलाया है आपने। कितनी देर बाद आप दूध पिलाते हो? 2 घंटे बाद पिलाते हो दूध? तो आपको पता है अब बच्चे को मशीन में डालना है हमने। तो जब भी आपने बच्चे को मशीन में डालना है, सबसे पहले बच्चे को इधर रखना है, लगाइए। देखिए, आपने इस तरह से बच्चे की आंख को कवर करना है, ठीक है। फिर उसके बाद लाइट को यहाँ से ऑन करना है। बच्चे को मशीन के अंदर रखना है, तो उससे पहले आपने 2 से 3 घंटे के बीच में